Hi students, welcome back. Welcome to our new class of grade 6 English. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 to the memory of a lion, module 1. At the end of the class you will be able to learn to read and comprehend the story, to learn to appreciate a good friendship. Now, let's see the introduction section of our lesson given on page number 49. Who is a hero? In your textbook, on page number 49, you can see a picture like this. What do you think the people being saved felt when they saw the fireman? Do you think we need heroes? Why do you think so? Do you think you always need great physical strength to be a hero? Can ordinary people be a hero too? So, when we are talking about heroes, really, who is a hero? A hero is someone who gives of himself, often putting his own life at great risk for the greatest good of others. However, somebody will be fighting against natural calamities that happen in our locality. Here you can see some pictures that happen in our Kerala. The local people, common people can also be a heroes. This all photo shows that during the Nipah and coronavirus, so many people in medical field, not only in medical field, other common people also sacrifice their life to protect us. So we can consider all of them as heroes. Sister Linny is a best example of such a hero. Dear students, now we are going to start our lesson, chapter 5, to the memory of a lion. How could the lion in the story be? Is it a real lion or a man as strong as a lion? What do you think? Dear students, today we are going to read a story about a brave hero called Tenaji. Tenaji Malasarai was a military assistant of the Maratha king Shivaji. Now let's look into the story. Before the story, let's do a small warm-up activity. Look at these words. They are qualities that heroes usually have. List them from what is least important to the most important. Write what you think is the most important quality on top. We can have some options here: clever, courageous, kind, honest, fair, decisive. You can see the picture of Tenaji Malasarai and Shivaji on the screen. Now let's start the Tenaji Malasarai was Shivaji's childhood friend and companion at arms. He was very brave and daring. Shivaji proudly called him his Simba or lion. In this story, Tenaji is at home in Umrata preparing for his son's wedding. One morning, a messenger arrives from Raigarh with an urgent message from the king. He wants Tenaji to come to Raigarh at once. Tenaji asks his wife to postpone the wedding and set off immediately. Tenaji rode fast to reach Raigarh fort, leading an army of horsemen. When he had reached the fort, he walked straight into Shivaji's room and found him sitting deep in thought. Rajay, I'm here at your service, said Tanaji, bowing. Oh, my Simha has come, exclaimed Shivaji. So, in this paragraph, we can see that something urgent matter is there. That why Raja has sent a message for Tanaji to reach the palace immediately. When he reached the palace, he can see that the Raja was in a trouble and he was thinking about something. When he saw Tanaji, he became very happy. Now let's see what's happened next. He embraced Tanaji and said, Come, sit down. We have a difficult assignment. Ma Sahib feels that the other forts are not safe so long as we do not recapture Kontana Fort. Uday Singh Rathore is in command of the Mughal force. His men are guarding the three gates. His sons are also with him. All of them are brave fighters. There is also the killer elephant Chandravati. She is a force by herself. I have thought and thought, but can't find a way of capturing the fort. You are the only one who may be able to find a way. The lines deepened on Tanaji's brow. Then he spoke. I have a plan. The fort is guarded only on three sides. We will try to enter from the west. So here the problem is this: they want to recapture the Kontana fort and it is guarded by Uday Singh Rathore, and he is the command of Mughal force. He is very brave. His son is also very brave, and they got a killer elephant Chandravati. She smashes every soldiers who entered that fort. So they have to make a good plan to enter the fort. On the three gates is guarded by them. So they are thinking of a new plan, and the plan put forward by Tanaji was this: they are only guarding the three sides of that fort. So we will try to enter from the western side. That means there is no guards there. So that was their plan. Let's see, will their plan be success and how will they execute their plan. Now turn your page to page number 52. What? Shivaji sprang up. Enter from the west? You are not planning to climb that wall? It is impossible. Tanaji said, No, Rajay, it is not the way I plan to do it. He then explained his plan to Shivaji in detail. It is a daring plan, said Shivaji anxiously, and it will be difficult to pull it off successfully. Everything depends on just one thing. Yes, it is difficult, Rajay, but not impossible. We will prepare well and we will succeed, Tanaji said confidently. Very well. Go ahead with your preparations. Tanaji bowed to Shivaji and left. He called Suryaji and some of his friends who were waiting in the next room. He then told them of the plan. He began preparing at once. Drill the soldiers, perfect them in the use of arms, but don't tell them for what. We have to take the enemy by surprise. So, after meeting with Raja, they made a plan and they are doing their maximum to execute their plan, and they are training their soldiers. In the next class, we will see what happened next. Now we can look some questions. We can recollect what we have read today. We can move on to the questions. Here is your questions. What kind of relationship did Tanaji and Shivaji share? Tanaji postponed his son's wedding to see Shivaji. What does it tell you about him? Why did Shivaji look worried? Why did entry from the west seem impossible? Dear students, I hope you all can answer the question. If you can't answer the question, don't feel bad. Read the story once again. And my dear students, read the lesson one more time before entering your English class. Hope you all understand today's section. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. Hope you to meet with a new class the next day.